Got it. This is the rear and the back going up, and the air going down. You want to show off the doors?
That's all it does.
Show off the door.
Just air.